Hey Emma, did you see the new boy in our class?
Yes, I saw him. He sits near the window.
He is tall and has dark hair.
He looks a little shy, but he seems nice.
I talked to him today. He is very friendly.
Really? What did he say?
He asked me about the homework.
Oh, that's good. He seems like a calm and smart person.
I heard he is from Italy.
From Italy? That's cool.
Yeah, he has green eyes.
He said thank you to the teacher many times.
Aw, maybe he is nervous. It's a new school for him.
Let's invite him to sit with us at lunch.
Yes, that's a great idea.
Let's make him feel welcome.